Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alivia Renadisti and I'm from PBIA class. In this video, I will answer the question about the language acquisition among adults. This is assignment 9. For instruction, answer the following question in English to the best of your knowledge. The first question is Hanania and Gretman conducted research showing the process of adult language acquisition. So what do you know of the research and what do you think about the research report if it is connected to your own experience as a second language learner? The second question is Ellis R. emphasizes that the computational model explains three stages that occur in human mind when acquiring language. What do you know of the model and explain your answer in detail and support with example. The last question is according to Krashen, adults will complete 5 stages of language development in the process of acquiring a second language. What do you know of the 5 stages and what do you think about the stage if they are connected to your own experience as a second language learner? My answer is number 1. Hanania and Gretman research is that adults acquire language through a combination of memorization and creative construction. They emphasize the importance of routines in providing a foundation for language learning as they facilitate the acquisition of patterns and structures. These patterns in turn enable learners to create new language experiences and use them flexibility in various situations. Number 2, my answer is Ellis R. emphasizes that the computational model explains 3 stages that occur in human mind when acquiring language. Namely, the first stage, adults learn and obtain certain language items as inputs which are then stored in short-term memory. This language input in psycholinguistics is called intake. The second stage, the intake stored in the short-term memory will then turn into second language knowledge which is then stored in long-term memory. The third stage, the knowledge of the second language is finally used actively to produce spoken outputs in the form of speech expressed when involved in verbal communication. Number 3, my answer is according to Krashen S. Adults will complete 5 stages of language development in the process of acquiring a second language, and these 5 stages can be explained as follows. First, pre-production stage. The pre-production stage is the first stage that adults go through in the process of acquiring a second language. In this stage is also usually recognized as the silent period or receptive period. And in this stage, the third language learners usually spend their time memorizing new words and practicing pronunciation skill related to the new words. What this means is the learners strive to equip themselves with phonological and morphological knowledge first. The second is early production stage. The second stage in the language acquisition process of adults is the early production stage. In this stage, second language learners are slowly able to speak using 1 or 2 words, are able to use short phrases and short expressions which are sometimes formed ungrammatically. 3. Speech emergence stage. At this stage, the second language learners have memorized or mastered around 3,000 words and have actively used this word to communicate by forming short phrases, short sentences, and have been able to ask questions. But once again, at this stage, they are not yet able to produce sentences that are completely grammatically correct. 4. Intermediate fluency stage. The process of acquiring a second language enters the intermediate fluency stage when the second language learner have been learning to acquire a second language for approximately 1 year. The last one is advanced fluency stage. In this stage, the learner's abilities are at the base level where they are able to master the second language with full mastery with the ability to form various types of complex sentences almost equal to the abilities of native speaker. They are able to converse, discuss, and even deliver speeches or presentations very well. Okay, maybe just all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.